Okay, cool. So this is the app we're gonna create. We're gonna create this first page here. The reason why I chose it is quite simple. There's no images, background, or anything like that. Um, yeah, so I'm not also using stack. Everything's just gonna be list view and columns and rows and yeah, all of those things. Yeah. So yeah, this is the design. I found it on Dribbble. Yeah, so you can shout out to this person who designed this beautiful layout. Let's try to create this in 5 minutes. I already have the setup running ready. I'm just gonna, this is the name of the app. Let me pause while Google is installing this thing. Start installing. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna close terminal. We're not gonna use terminal. Uh, in this tutorial, I'm just gonna go to the Android view. I realized with Android view it's faster. So I'm just gonna come here, delete all of this, come to the main, so delete everything from the main page there. Like I said, I already prepared the code on the side, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so you're running the main here, and then you go into the home page here. I remove the debug banner. I remove that. So what we need to do to fix these two errors is to install, to create this page here, the home page. Cool. Just gonna start new. Home.dat. Okay. So yeah, in the home.dat page also there's a couple of errors. Yeah, errors that I need to fix here. Let me fix those also in here. So here what I do, I created a folder called widget where I included all the widgets in there. I know this is not an ideal tutorial, but yesterday when I was creating this, it took me 4 hours to create all of this. So yeah, now I'm just gonna try to create it all in. What is that? I think tab on. So it's widget. So it's a folder called widget. Let me delete this. I don't know why. I delete permanently. Try to keep before under 5 minutes. So widget. Okay. That is created. Great. So in here, I'll create a couple of pages. So these are the pages that I have here. So yeah, let's start off with this one. Okay. Health counter. Um, okay, great. So let me just close these and come back to this app here. So okay, cool. So now this is the app here in the beginning. So we have the app bar here at the top here. So okay, cool. Yeah, let me continue importing all of this code so that we can fix these errors that are appearing here. So this is the health counter bar. So it is this page here. Add this. Okay, looks like it's good here. Should have reduced some errors a bit. So this daily goals one. Okay, I'll take you through the code once I'm done with this, and then also this daily progress bar. Like I said, you will not create that one. Okay, cool. And then there's also new activity, daily activity also. Okay, okay, I need to include it here in the widget. Okay, okay, looks good. We have 2 errors now. The last workout, that is the one that's missing. Okay, cool. Let's run this. There's no errors now on the home page. Okay, there you go. Yeah, this is the app preview on Android. It's working fine. If we go back to the design, this is the design. Okay, great. Now we finished including all the pages. So you can see this is the view. Okay, let's start going through it. So like I said, this is the scaffold. It starts here with the scaffold on the home and the dot. In the scaffold, I have the app bar here. This is where the app bar ends. So I have the activities and also the mini icon. Going to the body, we have a padding here, and also we have a list view. List view holds everything that's in here. And then from the child, we're starting to have a row. So yeah, you see I have multiple rows here. So the first row holds this connected Samsung Health for. That's what it's holding. So basically, maybe if you have a wearable device, yeah, you connected to it that measures your distance and calories and all of those things. So that's the connection part here. And then coming to the second row, I have a space here, a size box that I included. And then we have this calorie timer and distance. This is the colorful ones, these three ones here. This is the row that holds them. Yeah. Okay, I did not make them a list view because I think these are static. There will always stay three of them there, so I had to include them. I included all of them, yeah, statically. Okay, so this health counter block, I created a widget for it. Let's go find it. Health counter block. There it is. So we have variables, we have name, we have value. This is the value, and then we have a measuring unit. We have block color, and then we have the icon there, this icon up top there. So yeah, basically this is how it goes. There's nothing to it. And then this way it starts. It's we're returning a container, and yeah, we included padding. We're decorating the container. We have a column here because everything is just a straightforward column. We have a material button. So I started with a button and then I included a material button because I needed to include the circle that is housed in there. We don't have on press functionality, just the placeholder there. And then that's where we're pulling out the name, and then also pulling out the value and also the measuring unit. Yeah. So yeah, this is straightforward, not complicated. Cool. Okay, close this one. Done with it. Come to, yeah, go back to the home.dart. Okay, this part is done now. This is the part that challenged me when I was creating this app yesterday. So here I used what do you call those things? The progress indicator, but I was not supposed to use these. I found other ones on YouTube afterwards that I have to change. But for now, you can use this. So let's just go straight to it. This is the daily goal here. I'm including it in here. Okay, Just add space there. There's a daily goal. Let's go find it. Daily goal. There we go. Okay, cool. So this is the daily goal. Starting here, we have a column, and then yeah, okay, column, and then inside there it's a row. So this row it holds the titles. This one's here at the top. Your daily goals. It also holds the last 7 days here, and then after that, because it's a row, then I created this material button, which holds this arrow. Great, and then followed by a second row here. So the second row, it holds all of these days of the week, which is the daily progress bar. Cool. Let's go find the daily progress bar. There you go. So yeah, this is a daily progress bar. I created a circular progress indicator, thinking that yeah, I will change this. I'm not supposed to use this. Yeah, there is one that I found, this widget that I found that's better performing than this. But yeah, basically here, the variables are days of the day of the week, and then the value. So Monday, and then the value that indicates how much progress you've done. So that changes the color. The color is it's a green here, and then also we went with the gray, with this gray here, just to make it that yeah stand out a bit. Let me close this. Go back to home.dat. No, okay. Yeah, go back to home.dat. No, we were in daily goals. Yeah, this is where we are. So I included all of them, all 7 of them, and then you just punch in the value day of week, and then also the value there. Yeah, we can change this to 9. Just save it there. Yeah, you can see the Monday updated there. Cool. So if you're fetching this data from outside, it's dynamic. Yeah, great. Okay, cool. So this part is done here. We can close this daily goals. Come back to home.dat. We include a space there, and then we have new activity. So this is the new activity part here. I don't know why this thing. Yeah, there we go. Scrolling. I'm using my. Okay, cool. There we go. This is the new activity. This one was simple because most of the work I did it in this daily goal, so this one was fairly simple. So just come back to a new activity here. You can see that the first row here, it's okay. Let me go all the way up. Should you be copying this tutorial? Okay, you can see everything is the same with the daily goals. Okay, this is the first row. The recapturing the title, start a new activity, um, set goals, and track. Okay, cool. So and then here we have a container. It's a list view here because the activities can increase, right? We can have multiple increases. You can have swimming, you can have yoga. Tomorrow you have boxing, and then you can include any other. You can include more activities. So I made it a list view, and then you can see that its scroll direction exists horizontal, so that we are able to scroll. The days of the week they're static, so I did not make them scrollable. Okay, and then we have another widget called daily activity. It's quite simple. Here we're just pulling out the button and then also the name of the activity. That's it. Okay, and then yeah, that's the new activity part. Just close it. Go back to home, and then okay, and then here on the home, um, we have the last workout. Okay, cool. There we go. This is the last workout here. Straightforward. It's basically not complicated. It's just the top part of uh, of the previous row. Uh, Last workout. There we go. It's just a bunch of icon text, icon text, icon text. You can see here we have an icon, you have text, icon, text, da da da, and that's it. And then we have this material button at the end. So yeah, that's the tutorial for now. What's missing is this navigation bar at the bottom that I still have to include. That's the whole tutorial. It's just basic code here. I'll find a way to include it on my GitHub. You can find it there. This is the Dribbble layout you can use there. Oh, and also hit me up on Fiverr for work if you need a web design or flutter layout design or a flutter app. Hit me up on Fiverr. I will add more tutorials in future or design layouts.